Welcome to this week's Take 5, episode 14.
Everybody's doing a great job here at WP Rawl. We're still making cases with everything that's going on in the world and still providing fresh produce to our customers each and every day. So every day is a challenge in itself with everything that's going on in the world, but we're doing the best we can and everybody's doing a good job.
Hello everybody, Daydith Lucietto here from the Safety Department at WP Rawl. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about personal protective equipment for your face. We've been talking about personal protective equipment for other body parts like your hands, your eyes, your ears, and everything like that within the last month. Now I want to touch base on face protection. That is normally overlooked and we should not take it for granted. We want to make sure our pretty faces are covered and safe at all times. So therefore, I want to invite you to understand that if as the employee, if your job requires for you to have a face shield on, that's what you need to do, because it's for your own protection. Please don't overlook it. As the employer, we will provide you with anything that you need for your job, and if you need to get new equipment provided to you because it's worn out, please let us know. So in your task, if you require there's certain activities such as like sanitation workers just spraying chemical and splashing water all over the place. Safety glasses are not enough. Face shields should be required there. And the same goes to like if you're grinding, if you're handling chemicals, that you're transferring chemicals from the drum to smaller containers. Of course, welding is one that, there's a mandatory. So therefore, even if it wasn't mandatory, it is good to consider covering your face and protecting yourself from everything. So therefore, just wanted to remind you this. I hope everybody has a wonderful week and be safe and protect your pretty faces, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
It's a whole lot better. Yeah, it's a whole lot better, a whole lot faster. Get to the location easier.
Brooke, how are you?
Good. How about you?
I'm good.
So I had a few questions about our dental care plan because, I just enrolled on June the 5th and I want to know when would I be eligible.
So you're effective on August 1st. That's your effective date.
Okay. And then as far as like the dental care cards, do I get those electronically or do they come in the mail?
Your cards will come in the mail.
Okay. And if I happen to lose those cards, would I be able to request any new ones? How would I go about doing that?
You can go on Guardian anytime and print cards. I can print the cards for you, and you can request new cards through the mail.
Okay, and that'll have everything that I need.
Correct.
Just hand that to them.
Yep.
Now, what if I wanted to add on my husband, or let's say we had a kid later on down the road, would I be able to just add them as I please, or do I have to do a certain period?
So you can add your spouse, children when you enroll to be effective on August 1st. If you do not add spouse or children, the next time that you'll be able to add them would be if you had a life change event such as marriage, divorce, birth of a child, adoption of a child. And so if you had a life change event, you could add them, or at open enrollment of the following plan year, which is 2021.
Okay. And about when is open enrollment?
Usually our open enrollment is the middle of March, so it'll be around the second week of March of 2021.
And our dental plan costs about how much every week?
For an employee, it's $6.81, and depending on if you add children or spouse, that price will change.
Does it have a set number or does it just vary?
It does not have a set number. If you add, for instance, if you add an employee plus child or children is $15.56 per week. Employee plus family is $22.79 per week, and employee plus spouse is $14.02 a week.
Okay. My next question is, how much is my deductible?
You have a $50 deductible and network deductible.
In network, okay. Do I have a certain amount of money that I get every year that I'm allowed to spend?
You have $1,000 annually.
Okay. My next question is, so as far as like my cleanings, are those 100% covered or?
Yes, you get 2 preventatives per year. That's for your cleanings and your x-rays.
Both of those?
Yes.
And would that also include my spouse and them if they were on my plan?
Correct.
Okay, awesome. So what if I had to have braces or something like that? Is that covered?
So Guardian, our plan does not cover orthodontics.
What about major surgeries?
So if you had to have oral surgery, Guardian covers 50% on major care and 80% on basic care.
What would be considered a basic care?
Fillings, simple extracts, things like that.
Okay. I guess that's all the questions that I had though.
All right. Well, if you have any other questions, let me know. And again, remember you can log into Guardian anytime to get copies of your cards, or if you have any questions for a Guardian member.
Okay, sounds great. Is there any other way that I could possibly reach you, like this by phone or email? Okay.
You can call me or email me or stop by the HR office.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you.
Thank you.